Okay, right now I'm just here to have fun. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. A little bit of black. It's mixed in regular Floetrol and GAC 800 if it'll come out. And I'm not sure where this is going, but this is how I'm going to start. And I think, oh, I left my big spatula in the bucket. I think it doesn't matter much what I do to begin with. That was Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. This is Dancing Fuchsia Acrylic Pigment. Not being very cooperative. It's okay. Let's wipe the black off. Where though? Someplace it's useful. Ha! I didn't use any orange crush in my last painting and I wanted to. I'm purposely not working too hard and making anything make sense out of the gate. No paint chips allowed. I want regular black paint, but I don't have much of it, so I'm going to just give myself an opportunity to do whatever works. Which is nothing I intend on having make sense to anyone, including myself. Because I can always cover it with more paint if I don't like it, and that's okay. I'm peeling the top, the spigot's paint off. My Anita's white metallic. So I don't, okay, that's a cut. And yes, I still had schmutz on my blade, on the blade of my silicone rubber brush. And that's okay with me. I'm looking for weird textures and odd patterns, and just to have a little fun. More Dancing Fuchsia. Now I get to see how it reacts to the Anita's. That makes me want blue. If it's still damp and I get a chance to use a texture tool, I may do that. More Decoart Americana, 24 karat gold. And I really want to try some Indigo Violet and some of my green cell activator, which is made with purely pigments, and some Atelier Phthalo turquoise. I'm just going to go for it. I was going to put it on the blade, but I'm not going to do that. I don't want a lot of canvas showing. but I might have to put up with it. I've got Dancing Fuchsia that's cell activated too. I just haven't gotten around to using it yet. More Orange Crush and a smaller, take part of that, put it over here. That worked better than I anticipated. It's kind of fun. I want some blue or some turquoise, and I'm tempted to try something really weird. Which would be, some Anita's White Metallic, which is not supposed to be something you use with cell activator, but okay, never mind. That is the Cobalt Turquoise Atelier. And that works really well. Don't ask me what I'm thinking. I couldn't possibly explain it to you. It's my willful nature. It's just having fun in the moment. I'm craving some purple. I've got this color to use up. I think it's going to go right here. I like that cobalt turquoise enough, so I'm going to use some of it. Maybe with a little bit of Purely Pigment's Sour Apple. Oh, schmutzing away. What is it? Why is it? Alright, I still haven't done the purple I was talking about, and I want some. I want some to come out. That's what I want. It was open a minute ago. That's Deep Amethyst. And I do tend to overstep my boundaries and use the cell activator as colors. Alright, I'm being called back to some gold again. Not sure why. But before that, I'm going for the Waterlily. Prizm pour. And I think now that I see it, I want to use some of my green with it too. Although, you know, I haven't used any of this Atelier Phthalo turquoise, and I really like it a lot. Now it's very wet. Okay, never mind. You never know when you're going to overstep that comfort zone. Got leftover turquoise. Hopefully you can see. Not sure any of this makes sense, but if I'm going to do anything with a texture tool, it's going to happen really soon. Either that or this is a stage 1. I do like using up the paint that's on my tools around the edge. Now, what have I got? I've got little texture tools. I lost the major one I wanted, so let's use a tool I know you can find at Michael's. I don't like that. It's okay, I'll like it before I'm done. I hope. Kind of wish there was some black. Maybe I can use this purple the same way though. It's getting better, I think. I hope. Knock on wood. Never did. I'm holding on to the little tool. I don't want to do that. Not sure what this is going to be like. But at least it's fun. That's the point. I kind of like the dots. Maybe I shouldn't do anything with them. What are the chances? Oh, I kind of like that. I'm thinking a little more Dancing Fuchsia. Cell activator that I haven't pulled any out of yet. Didn't even completely open it. Oh, that's nice. That works well. Oops, that was a lot. That's probably exactly what I needed. It's getting better, I think. I've got a nice thin black line there and I'm not sure where to put it. Got beautiful lacing. I've got leftover cell activator. Alright, what have I got left for tools that I haven't used? That was unimpressive. I think I might be really close to being done. I do have this little, those are going in the bucket. That means I'm very close to being done. I think they're vapes. I used one to stamp something with and I think I liked it enough to do it again. I don't even mind when they're weird. Matter of fact, I kind of like them, especially when they're strange. Kind of figuring these days, since very few people are watching, it doesn't much matter what I do as long as I'm having fun doing it. This reminds me of a painting that I did a long time ago. A long time ago. I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. I just posted it on Facebook a couple, like maybe last night. Reposted, I should say. I don't know about that. Alright, I'm going to call it good for now and tell you guys I love you and that thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linktree, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link, Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.